Hello, dear viewers, a one-eyed kitten playing in the grass. Yes, you heard right. This cute creature enjoys exploring the world with one eye, while enjoying nature. This kitten, running and jumping in the grass, attracts attention with its extraordinary appearance. This cat, which looks around with one eye, and displays joyful energy with every step, is actually not that different from other cats. He's a creature that wants to grow up in loving embraces and explore the world. Playing on the grass under the sun is every cat's dream. But this cute creature realizes this dream with a single eye. The curiosity in his eyes and his love of games manage to impress the audience. As a result, the one-eyed kitten playing in the grass presents us with a loving view while exploring the beauties of nature. Her joy and energy captivates everyone who watches and leaves them filled with a smile.